When was the last time you moved your refrigerator? Not to sweep underneath, not to clean the front. I mean truly moved it to see what's behind it. If you are like most people, the answer is never, or maybe once, years ago. I am Blossom Odia, and today I'm going to show you what's hiding behind your fridge and why it could be a fire hazard waiting to happen. Let's talk about what collects behind the refrigerator. First, dust. A lot of dust. Your fridge has a compressor. It has coils. It pulls in air to cool itself, and that air carries dust, lint, and debris. Over months and years, that dust builds up. It forms a thick layer on the coils and on the floor behind the fridge. Second, grease. If your kitchen is anything like mine, cooking grease travels through the air. It settles on surfaces, including behind your fridge. Third, moisture. Refrigerators produce condensation. That moisture can mix with dust and grease to create a sticky, flammable buildup. Fourth, forgotten items. Did something roll behind the fridge months ago? A receipt, a plastic bag, a piece of food. It's still there. Now, here is why this matters. Your refrigerator's compressor and coils generate heat. They need airflow to cool down. When dust and debris block that airflow, the compressor works harder, it gets hotter, and when you combine heat, dust and grease, you have a fire risk. Let me explain the science simply. Your refrigerator has a compressor, the part that makes the humming sound. It runs constantly. It gets hot. Behind the fridge are condenser coils. They release that heat into the air. They need air circulation to work properly. When dust coats these coils, they can't release heat. The compressor runs hotter and longer. The coils overheat. Now, add grease and dust. Both are flammable. If the coils get hot enough, that buildup can ignite. This isn't theoretical. Refrigerator fires happen. They start quietly behind the appliance, where no one sees until it's too late. And here's the other risk. If something flammable rolls behind the fridge, a plastic bag, a cardboard box, a piece of paper, it could be touching hot components. One spark, one ignition, boom, fire. The good news, this is one of the easiest fire hazards to fix. Here's what you need to do. But before that, to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now, step 1, unplug the refrigerator. Safety first. Unplug before you move anything. Step 2, move the fridge carefully. Pull it out slowly. Watch for cords. Watch for things that might fall. If it's heavy, get help. Step 3, clean thoroughly. Now, look at what's back there. I promise you it's more than you expected. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to clean the coils. If you don't have a vacuum, use a long brush or cloth. Clean the floor, clean the wall. Remove anything that has fallen behind. Step 4, clean the coils. Your fridge has coils either on the back or underneath. They need to be cleaned. Dust them thoroughly. Step 5, allow space. When you push the fridge back, leave space. At least a few inches between the fridge and the wall. The coils need airflow. Step 6, plug back in. Make sure the cord isn't pinched. Make sure the fridge is level. This whole process takes 30 minutes. 30 minutes to prevent a potential fire. How often should you do this? At least once a year. So as if you have pets that shed, if you cook frequently, or if your kitchen gets dusty. Put it in your calendar, same time every year. Make it a habit. Here are signs your fridge needs attention. It's running constantly, never shutting off. It's louder than it used to be. The outside feels unusually hot. Your food isn't staying cold. You notice a burning smell. If you notice any of this, check behind the fridge immediately. And if the burning smell persists, unplug and call a technician. Here's your assignment for today. Move your refrigerator. I mean it, right now or today. Clean behind it. Look at the coils. See what's been hiding back there. Come back to the comments and tell me, what did you find? Dust? Grease? Something that rolled away months ago? And share this video with someone who's never moved their fridge. They might not know about this fire risk. Next time, we are talking about something you carry with you every day and why it might be more dangerous than you think. Because every choice matters, choose safety now. I am Blossom Odia, and I'll see you next time.